Today, I will demonstrate with this zirconium version to show you how to change the blade for the automatic utility knife. First of all, lift the screw on the pocket clip. And the pocket clip will automatically pop out. Then the pocket clip can be removed, and you will see this small window here. Push out the blade. You'll see the screw inside the window here. Use the pocket clip as a flat screwdriver to unscrew. Remove the screw. Then the blade can be released from the handle. Do it in reverse order to install the blade.